Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. Today is the drawing for this giveaway album. Let me scooch this over a little bit. This was the Antique Shop album that we made back in, I think we finished it in December of 2023. And this was the prototype. So I'm keeping the one that we made on camera because I always like to reference, because I get a lot of questions and maybe a year or two down the road about things. So I like to have my actual creation that I make with you guys on camera. I like to have that, I like to have access to that. But when we started this project, when we made this album on camera, I told you that we would give it away, and now we're going to do that. So if you want to see a flip through of this prototype or a flip through of the completed album that we made together, I will put that playlist up here in the cards and down below in the description box. And also I wanted to say, I said this in the last video that I recorded a couple weeks ago, that there are, this is not going to be a perfect album. There are boo-boos, there are things that are falling apart. My prototype albums take a lot of wear and tear because I'm usually in a hurry. I'm usually flipping through them fast. I'm usually referencing them for whatever reason, or I'm trying this or I'm trying that, or I'll tear something out and put something else in its place, or I will use undo and I will remove things. I mean, sometimes you guys would think that you couldn't believe, you would be shocked if you saw me actually making one of my prototypes, like the whole process. How many times I changed my mind or moved things around, or all of that business. So how to enter into the giveaway was, you have to be a subscriber. You had to leave a comment under the video I posted 2 weeks ago, and I'll have that in the description box below just in case you want to check it out. Oh, I need to water my poor plant. See, I think I got sidetracked. Yeah, so you have to be a subscriber. Leave a comment below that video. I'll have that link down below. But I think I was trying to make a point about the prototype. Oh, so if it's not perfect, just know that it was made with love. And there's a possibility that there could be some things that are wrong with this album. So if you get it, I'm sorry. It's unique. It's a one-of-a-kind creation. And yeah, that's that. So the winner of this album can also, if you want, you can ask me to sign it somewhere. If that is something that you would like me to do, just let me know. So I'm going to, I've already pulled in, isn't this pretty? I love this color combination. I don't know why. It just speaks to me for some reason. I want to paint my kitchen a new color, but I just can't quite decide what I want to do. Anyway, boy, I got sidetracked quick. So I've already pulled that video URL into the random YouTube comment picker. And today is, it's actually 11 o'clock, April 22nd, 2024. So I've already put the URL in here. I've already got the comments, and all I have to do is press start. So I'm going to hold this up to the camera and I'm going to press start, and then we'll see who the winner is. So good luck. All right. So congratulations to, I don't know who this is. It says at T-Tulu. At T-Tulu. Alright, so I'm going to run and check to make sure that you are a subscriber, and I'll be right back. Okay, so congratulations. Her name is actually Tina Brown. Congratulations, Tina. All you need to do is down below in the description box and in the first pinned comment under this video, I will have an email that it's only for giveaway winners. So you contact me through that email and we will get your winnings on its way to you. What is today's date? What did I say today was? Let me look at the calendar real quick. Okay, so I will give you until April 29th. Let's give you the full rest of the month. So please respond by April 30th, 2024, Tina, to that email, and hopefully I'll hear from you. And if I don't, then I will redraw the following day, which would be May 1st, which is a really busy time for me, but that's okay. So congratulations, Tina. So I hope to hear from you really soon. And I wanted to say, you guys, thank you so much for all the lovely, wonderful, kind, encouraging, beautiful comments that you left for me from my last video. It was the first video I made in quite some time, and it just made my heart happy. And I just want you guys to know that I thank each and every one of you for even taking the time to leave me a comment. Very precious to me. And the other thing I want to let you know is I've been filming. I've recorded a couple videos already for the new set. I need to record the introduction video, and I've been pulled in so many directions right now that I need a larger chunk of time in order to film that video. So I'm gonna tackle that, hopefully, fingers crossed, in the next couple days. And we'll see how that goes. That's my goal. That's my thoughts anyway. I need to get that done in the next couple days. It's really getting super hectic around here. My son is graduating college. He's not done, but he's graduating a traditional 4-year college at the moment. That's coming up. Mother's Day is coming up. We always have a huge Mother's Day party for both sides of our families. There's just a ton going on. There's a lot going on in the garden. There's just a ton going on. So I feel like I'm going in 5 million directions. But that's okay. I'm okay. I'm doing good. I think that I'm on the right track. I'm not trying to rush myself. I'm not trying to hurry and push myself to the point of this is just too much and I've got to let something go. Do you know what I mean? So I'm just taking my time. We were out of town not too long ago for a little while. We went to, where did we go? We went to Michigan. We went to Troy, Michigan. Michigan. It was beautiful. It was absolutely beautiful. I was trying to find some fun stores to go to, but I asked too late. And by then it was just too late to find a place to go to. But anyway, so I've just been, I've been super busy, and I've been working, and I'm getting things squared away. So for the new set of templates, I still haven't found a paper collection that I want to use, but I keep looking. All right, I think that's all I have for you guys today. Hope to hear from you soon, Tina, and I will see you guys really soon. And thank you so much for entering the giveaway. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for giving me a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.